Hi guys! In this video, we are going to draw the iPhone. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. We will draw the back side on the left and the front side on the right. So let's start with the back side first here on the left. First, draw a big rectangle like this. It's challenging for anyone to draw a straight line, so feel free to erase and make the line perfect as you go. And now we will change all the sharp corners to round. And when you're done, let's erase those sharp corners. Now let's draw a square on the top left corner for the camera lens. We will make the corners rounded just like the iPhone shell. And let's draw the circles inside. So let's draw 2 circles on the left side and another circle on the right side, but in the middle. And draw 2 more small circles on the top and at the bottom. Now let's draw smaller circles inside those 3 big circles to complete the camera lens. Now let's draw the Apple logo. We are starting with a circle at the center of the iPhone first, and then change that into an apple shape. So let's change the top part first, make the middle part going in a little, and do the same thing at the bottom. And draw the alphabet C on the right side. And when you are done, erase the practice lines. And draw the leaf at the top to finish the Apple logo. Now it's time to draw the buttons on the side. Let's draw 3 rectangles on the right side. The top button comes about here, and the second one is a little longer than the first one. The third one should be the same size as the second one. Now let's draw another button on the left side. The location should be about here next to the bottom camera lens. The back side is done, so let's move to the front side. It should be the same size and same shape, so let's draw the same size rectangle on the right side. And make the corners rounded. And when you're done, let's erase those practice lines. Now let's draw exact same outline but a little smaller inside the iPhone. It should be just a tiny bit smaller. And we are going to draw another smaller outline inside, but for this time we are going to leave the middle part open because we will draw a small tray there. So go down a little and do the same thing on the right side and close the tray at the bottom. And continue to draw the outline. Now let's draw the eyes. So let's draw two circles at the center of the screen. And smaller circles on the left bottom corner of the eyes as a highlight. And another smaller circles on the top right corner. If you are done, let's fill in the eyes with the pencil except for those highlights. Let's give two cute eyelashes on each eye. And draw a big smiley mouth between the eyes. And draw a line in the middle for the tongue. Let's draw a fat circle under the eye for the blush. It will make your drawing extra cute. Now let's draw a bow on the top right corner. So start with a circle and draw a bow on each side. The right bow should come a little lower than the left bow. And draw a tiny fold inside like this. Now let's draw the buttons. All the locations and the sizes will be the same as a back view except it is flipped left and right. So match the same level and draw 3 rectangles. Draw one more button on the right side. Now all the pencil sketches are done, so we are going to move to the permanent marker. I'm going to fast forward from this point as always because I'm just making the outlines black. I color my iPhone pink, but you can definitely color it in any way you want. You can try a rainbow color, or you can add more cute drawings on the case and have more fun. Wow, your iPhone came out super cute and realistic. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other drawing tutorials. Thank you again. Bye!